Good morning, everyone, or anyone who is watching the stream or the VOD. We're at the beginning of the London session, and we have CPI news coming in about 7 minutes. So the kill zone hasn't been started yet. It's almost 2 a.m. New York time. This is my challenge account, one of my challenge accounts. I decided I'm gonna show this for now. It's below 50k because of last week's losing streak. So let's see what we're looking for here. Let me align my charts here. Okay, so we have news in about less than 6 minutes. I would like to see the pound dump lower, so we could take a possible short entry. I know it repriced this level, but who knows. And my most favorite position would be to short the euro and take out these equal lows. This is the 1 hour, by the way, and let's measure the mid threshold of this wick, just to make sure that we have a reaction at the consequent encroachment, as ICT says. So there. So that's for the 1 hour as a reaction. We're looking for that during the news as well. Some buy side is resting here on the pound. There. Little bit of a buy side there. Previous day low, and there is a very significant level. Let me check it. Yeah, here. Higher lows. And I know we've taken out this one here. Higher lows all the way. But still, I'd like to see this one being taken out. So also on the 4 hour, this consequent encroachment, very interesting target. I guess we have to see. We have to see what happens. And as I said yesterday, I tried to pick up on gold. I really don't want to trade too much. Yesterday, I broke a record there again. All right. Buy side here. Let me just state this on gold, just to be clear, buy side liquidity right there. Okay. That could be taken out all the way up here. All right. Let's look at the dollar index. This is the 4 hour, sorry. Yeah, so let me just measure this one as well. We still have 3 minutes until news. We are about at the consequent encroachment level of this 1 hour candle at the dollar index. Yeah. There. Let's see if we get a reaction. If not, then it is what it is. So far, these are the level which could be interesting. If I look at the higher time frame, for example, the 4-hour, this can still go up, burst through. Oops. What's this? Yeah. These sloppy highs have been taken out. Let's look for a reaction here. Otherwise, let's look at the daily. Daily is still looking, I mean, looks promising, although it traded into this inefficiency already from here to here, the daily, so had a hard time breaking through that. We have to wait and see for a bit. News in 1 minute and 30 seconds. We're going to watch the pound, and we might going to watch the euro as well. But for now, the pound is what really drives us. Although I can split the screen. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the euro on the right side, pound on the left side. Right? So let's see how this all goes in terms of news. Less than 50 seconds to go. Come on, come on. Let's do something. No, don't worry, I'm not forcing anything. It would be interesting to see. Look at the spreads, how it's gonna be widened up. Euro dollar, it says 0, but I don't believe that. So the pound is opening up, maybe spread wise. There you go. Spreads are high, and news 3, 2, 1. There. All right. Come on. We're still oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, maybe the euro will be better for us. Okay. Let's go out to the 15-minute candle. To the 1 hour. Okay. All right. Taking out some. This has been repriced. No major reaction there. No major reaction there. Okay, all right. No major reaction, no major reaction. On the 1 hour, we are at the consequent encroachment for the euro dollar. Don't worry, I'm not taking any trades. I'm just checking. Let's check trading view. Yeah. So this level is interesting. Could go up all the way there. The pound, nothing. 4 hours is not interesting to me right now. Okay, all right. Let's see the numbers. There you go. CPI 8.7. Yeah, so the price of goods have gone up. Economically, I think it's not the best news, right? Maybe it's because of inflation or higher costs, most likely. All right. I mean, in the short term, I don't know. I would disagree in terms of it if it's good for currency. I think it's technically bad. It's bad for the economy, and overall, yes, we did see a spike, but it's not so good for the currency, I think. Because if you dive deeper, and it indicates that it's, you know, and the goods are getting more expensive. I mean, I guess we have opinions are on both sides of the equation. Hard to tell, but still, on euro, we are waiting for a reaction, especially a short opportunity. Let's check the dollar index. Dollar index spiked down, still at around this level. Didn't balance, I mean, didn't broke this wick. Yeah. So I still have the same scenario. Yeah. My interest is clearly indicated on this chart. That's what I'm looking for. All right, nothing to do here. Let's check gold. All right, gold is showing some signs of structure breaking, maybe. This one broke structure, actually. How about the 3 minute? 3 minute is closing in 10 seconds. Also broke structure there. 1 minute broke structure. All right. Yeah. This could be happening. Okay, so this 3 minute candle, it's closing down the gap, I guess so. Not ideal for a short entry, in my opinion. I'm sorry, excuse me. This would be a good short, but not for me right now. On the 1 minute, you could maybe go short here. Had a clear structure break, but it's not an optimal trade entry for me. And the 5 minute is already repricing that range. Maybe the 3 minute. Not so optimal for me. I mean, yeah, maybe. I don't know. We have a fair value gap here. But the candle is still gonna stay open for a while. 3 minute, yeah, it's repricing that range. I'm not saying it won't dump here. Okay, so the euro dollar reached that consequent encroachment level. Looking for a reaction. Also on the pound, let's put a buy side liquidity right there. Right there. Okay, now the euro is definitely aligned to our level. Yeah, gold not so much. Dollar index filled up the candle on the 5 minute. It's gonna make a new low, I guess. It can take out this low right here. All right. Okay. All right. Checked everything. So far, I'm still waiting for the euro. Beautifully, look at this, beautifully touched the consequent encroachment of the 1 hour candle wick. So let's wait for it. Okay, this is what we were waiting for technically. So if someone shorted the gold here, kudos. Nice. I was scared to short it here. What news we have? Nothing extra. Nothing. We don't have any major news in the London session. Nothing more. Waiting for a reaction. This is the 1 minute. Oh my. Looks interesting, definitely. I do have a little bit of FOMO, but not too much because of the gold. Okay, we have a clear structure break here on the euro. This is what we were waiting for. And yeah. This is kind of the one that we were waiting for. Oh my god, it's beautiful. The only thing is that I don't like the wick. Damn. Alright, let's go here. Which one to take, right? Okay. This is the point where I want to go short. And we'll see. Still have to go back to 50% of that range. It's all looking, I mean, it's tempting, but I don't want to jinx it that we missed anything so far. I'm gonna just bring a fib here. There. Oops. Let's just see the reaction. Risking 1%. Okay, I think the euro is going to tap into our entry, hopefully. Not yet. Damn it. I might have missed this train. I don't know. How much? Yeah. Yeah, I might going to enter it right now. And I'm deleting this for now because we have a 6 pip threshold which we need for the trade to evolve. Pound already started dipping. Still an opportunity for gold, but hard to tell. It doesn't matter if it goes back up because this still was the plan in a way, so we're still on plan. That's what I meant to say. All right. Final target should be yesterday's low, but for now I'm gonna skip pound. Six pips, all right. Pound US dollar, sorry, euro US dollar 6 pips. Let's put it right here. $2.9 lots, which should be closed at 6 pips. All right. Okay. EA is all set. Let's look at the 5 minute. Nothing here. This could be good. If someone shorted gold from here, that's good. I didn't. All right, that's Bitcoin. So yeah, so far for me, this looked like higher probability short entry. Although I didn't check the dollar index yet. All right. All right. Let's check the dollar index. Yeah, it's all right. It would be great to see it burst all the way through here. Lower highs all the way. Would be nice to see it go through. Also go through with this. Well, this is almost relative equal highs here, so why shouldn't it take it out, right? Why shouldn't it be taken out? The 30-minute candle I'm not favoring. Yeah, I'm not favoring this candle on the 30-minute, neither on euro, neither on pound. So, and also checking on gold. All right, nothing. So our main trade that we were waiting for is on the euro, and somewhere around here should have been our optimal trade entry. Yeah, right here, because I would have put like 1 pip below equilibrium level, so maybe we are off by 2 pips or something. No, it goes against us. Maybe we're off by a bit, but I wouldn't say like we're off so much from that reaction level. Yes, it could be repricing that level, which we thought it could do. Otherwise, yeah, it can take us out quite easily. Yeah, I was telling this that my problem was with the 30-minute candle. Also a little bit with the 15-minute, yeah. 15-minute, 30-minute. We did get a reaction, so I guess we'll see. The stop loss would be at the same level, so in any terms, maybe the best thing, I mean, yeah. I mean, after it repriced this level, would be nice to see it dump. Maybe the problem was that the fair value gap should be in line with the structure break. Could be. But for now, it definitely looks like it wants to go higher. Didn't quite got the reaction which I was expecting from the pound. Unfortunate. Could be good for the 5 minute maybe, but unfortunately I think it's gonna burst through, make a new high. The narrative for me was still that it should dump. But it doesn't really want to. Still inside the fair value gap, but not for long, I guess. Yeah. Alright. I guess we're pretty much out from this trade. Same happened yesterday. I was stopped by less than 1 pip, I think. It was less than 1 pip. I have to wait and see. It didn't make an up close candle, but that doesn't mean it's not gonna burst through. But could be also good for, if it's gonna go down, it could be also good for a 5 minute structure break. Who knows? Who knows? Depends on what the dollar index wants to do as well. No real imbalance here, so I'm just curious what price wants to do here. I have to wait for a reaction. No reaction here, no reaction there. I don't know. Have to wait. This kind of 30-minute candle is looking better. If it would close in the next 2 minutes, the way like this, then it would be looking better. But otherwise, you just have to wait. I'm still so far bearish on the euro dollar. So I don't know. Doesn't look that promising, I know that, but that's the gold, by the way. Yeah, maybe the gold was the go-to trade which we should have taken. Let's look at dollar index, shall we? Okay, dollar index, this is the 5 minute. The 3 minute looks very good on the dollar index. If I would trade a dollar index, this would be exactly the point where I would go long. Consequent encroachment. Would be nice to see it go long. I mean the dollar index. All right. Still need to sleep more. Gold. Gold is still going lower. 30-minute candle, 15-minute candle is closing in 2, 1, and right now. Let's see what reaction we get. We might gonna get stopped out. But so far, yeah, it's going against us, unfortunately. It has to do a wick maybe to the upside, so that's not good. We've been saved from stop loss at this point, but right now I don't think we're gonna get saved from stop loss if it's going to do a reaction. At least gold is going lower, but unfortunately I chose to take the euro dollar trade. Okay, pound, this is the 5-minute pound. Not the reaction I was looking for, but who knows. So if someone took gold at this level, right here, then yeah, that's what I should have taken. But it was not at optimal level, so maybe I should recalibrate these kind of entries where I do have a structure break, but I don't have fair value gap upwards. Yeah, and it was after news, so yeah, I should have taken gold. But I'm not FOMOing that much because it wasn't so perfect for my criteria. But even if it stops me out, I'm still overall bearish on the euro dollar, especially for those relative equal lows. So yeah, look at gold. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna get stopped out real fast here. What about dollar index? It made a very nice... Oh, yeah, dollar index is giving in. It had a nice long opportunity on the 3-minute, but it's not going through. That's why we're heading up. And gold, oh my god, look at gold. I don't even want to watch it. I missed it. Well, I didn't miss it, but still. I wasn't that sure. My analysis was concentrating on the euro dollar, and I'm sticking to it for now. You know, trust your analysis. Oh my god. This keeps hurting my eyes. Oh, Jesus. What's up with the dollar index today? Should be coming all the way this. Boom. Come on, dollar index. Nevertheless, if it stops me out, I will be still looking for a reversal. Maybe it's gonna take out this buy side on the 5-minute, reprice this range a little bit, and then go down. Looks like it wants to do that, but gold is edging a little bit. Now if the pound is gonna go higher, then it's definitely going to pull the euro with it. So right now we still have 26 minutes until London Open. Not a good position to be in right now. Now it repriced that small fair value gap on the 1-minute. Hopefully not because it wants to burst higher. Hopefully. I don't know. Wow, gold, oh my god. What the hell is gold doing? Gold is tanking. It's gonna go through this, I guess. It can help a little bit to our euro trade, maybe. Okay, come on. We don't really need that much. We need one more pip to burst through at least the midnight open level. 0.0. Yeah. Technically, I could put this to break even at least manually. Well, let's see if it can make a push with one pip. Should be able to do that. This could also be a good re-entry on the 5 minute. I guess we have to wait and see. What's the pound doing? Not too much. Gold is like, I was stupid not to take this one here. Gold is tanking. Let's look at the dollar index, hopefully. Yeah, exactly what I was hoping for. Hopefully it stays the way like this. Okay, it made a structure break on the 5 minute, which is a good sign. I love that. Even though our euro trade is retracing, but it's still, I like that. Looks good. It's a good re-entry point at this level, I think so. But look at that. Crazy. Now it's going against us. Crazy morning. By the way, market open is 16 minutes away. Yeah. Yeah, the pound is playing games. Let's look at this. Okay, so it is dollar index edged down a little bit. Still made a nice up close candle here. Come on, dollar index. Don't do this. You can do this. You can push up. We'll see, I guess. Anyway, it was, if someone got stopped out here, this could be a re-entry, a second chance maybe. I survived for now, but I'm not sure how long with this kind of movement. Almost took partials down there, but didn't reach my level to do partial profits. Well, I mean, all we need is like 6 pips to take first partials, and if volume comes in, then euro dollar, even euro dollar can do it easily. We have a small gap here, maybe it respects it to price it, to reprice it, and then it can fall back down again. I guess we'll see, but yeah, dollar index, come on, baby. Go higher, dollar index. I know you can do it. I'm still aiming for dollar to burst through this level right there. Not good. Market opens less than 14 minutes or so. Less than 15 minutes. That's what I meant to say. How are we looking on the 5-minute? Last defense here on this fair value gap, as ICT used to say. That's last defense. Fair value gaps used to act as a kind of resistance. Sarvesh, hey there. Well, as you can see, euro dollar short. I was talking out loud to short gold here when after news. I didn't take it. I said to myself, I don't know, blah blah blah, and I didn't took it. I was eyeballing this on live stream that I should take it, I don't know, and then boom. Instead, I took the euro dollar and I took it here, by the way, where here. I took it here, went all the way up, almost punched my stop loss, and then go back down, and now look at this. A total, I don't know. I don't even know what to call it. It's definitely interesting. How are you, my man? How are you, Sarvesh? All I need is basically 6 pips to take first partial, so the EAs are waiting for it. Hope you're doing good, man. After yesterday, I would love to. Yeah, right. That's very bad. I mean, I was sweating a little bit. I'm not saying I won't sweat if it goes against me, because market open is quite near. But like, I think stop loss was missed only by maybe half pip or 0.3 or 4 pips. I mean, it was very close. And then it gone down. I don't know. And down here, I was 2 ticks away from taking first partial, but then I would be out from the trade with the TP1 by now. So I don't know. The 5-minute, crazy. 1 minute was looking good here after news. I was waiting for exactly this reaction after news. I just didn't realize it wants to go back up. And I still hope that the dollar index is going to be bullish and it's going to burst through all these highs. Actually, as I was stating, should go. This is the 1 hour. That's what I would hope the dollar index would do, like cut through like butter on this new week opening gap from earlier. Boom, that would be awesome. And yeah, that's it. Until then, I guess it's a waiting game. The pound did a higher high, which is cool because if it wants to break structure to the downside, we might be getting some kind of A entry, but first I have to deal with the euro. Honestly, I feel a little bit of FOMO about the gold trade. I checked the silver bullet video from ICT. He was trading it on the M5, but everyone on YouTube says M1. Yeah, I know what you mean. In a different video, just to make it clear for you, in a different video, I'm not sure which one was it. Don't ask me which one was it, but maybe I can find it later on. He was saying that it's not mandatory to only take it on the 1 or on the second time frame. If you see something occur on the 5 minutes, something real good, then that's it. That's your silver bullet between the 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. That's what he said. I mean, he said never say never. So if you see something on the 5 minute between that time period, in that time period, then that's your silver bullet. 5 minute also good. And I think he also said something about 15 minute. If the 15 minute gives in the optimal trade entry at that time period, then there's your silver bullet. But most likely, I think he meant that it occurs on the 1 minute or less charts. But I know he said if you see it on the 5 minute, then boom, that's it. That's your silver bullet right there. The important part is that the setup used to come at that particular time period, I think. I mean, that's what he was applying to. So don't worry about, I know he said 1 minute, but he did an extra sentence there in one of his lectures, which was not about silver bullet, but he just mentioned that, oh, by the way, guys, if you see it on the 5 minute, you can still take it because that's your silver bullet. So I guess that's something to consider. So yeah, I know he takes it. Yeah. So guess I'll try it on the 5 minute and yeah, but you have to, oh, hold on. I think we just closed partially a trade. I do have to take the applause here. I think we just closed it. I know. Okay. The EAs closed it partially. I'm gonna put down the EA here and here. Locked in 1 pip. That's $15. I'm gonna put it to like $12 in case it wants to go back, and let's just save it for. Okay, so the 15 and the 5 minute chart, you can still see that, but I guess you have to accept that you're going to see it more rarely. So here's the silver bullet. Here's today's trades. I was having a limit order here, but so far the EA closed down around 60% of the position, counting spread, I mean commission as well. So yeah, $171, which is on this account. I'm trading on this account with 0.5%. I'm gonna log it. Journal wise, we made 0.6% profit, which is going to be added here. How much is that? $7.45. I just needed to make sure. That makes up for the gold trade, I guess. Yeah. So I was feeling the actually I'm still searching for information of what to do when I don't have fair value gap up here. you know, because I did have a structure break here, there, right there. There was the structure break with this candle. And actually, let me just put it the way like this. I like to go visual here. So that was the structure break right there. But if I put out the fib here, then optimal trade entry would be around equilibrium or higher. I'm counting spread as well. But the fair value gap was only here. So what would ICT say in this situation? I don't know, I'm confused. That's what I'm confused. That should I always take a trade like that, or hold on just a second. Just a second, I have to make a quick text. All right. So what to do in a scenario like this? What to do? Should I take it if this is the only fair value gap? I guess ICT would say take the trade. I don't know. I mean, it didn't took out the sell side that much, so it made a structure break. We had a fair value gap. Maybe ICT would say take the trade, but maybe don't put the stop loss all the way up, like give it a little range. I don't know. So this is still something I need to look after. Oh, by the way, today's profit, let me update this. We had a winner, at least let's state that, not just the losses. And how much was it? 7.45, the monthly profit. I'm gonna log it after this. 7.45% for the month. So I'm not sure. Deep dive, hey there. Wasn't that a breaker block on gold? Good question there. Deep dive. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's see. A breaker block. Let's go to trading view. All right. And let's go to the 1 minute. So this was the fair value gap, which I was hesitating to go short. Hold on. This was the structure break. Took liquidity. I'm not even putting out that. Liquidity was swept by news. So breaker block. I think if that would have been a breaker block, then yeah, maybe. I don't know. I'm trying to check the 5 minute as well. I don't know. I think if this would have been a breaker block, yeah, then maybe we would need something like this, and then I think we would need a structure break somewhere here. No, that's not it. I'm confused now. Yesterday I had a breaker block on the S&P to the long side. By the way, let's check what's happening, since I almost forgot to check the pound. So I don't know. We need Maybe. Damn it, that's a good question. Because that was a swing low. Higher, I mean lower than this one. This was a swing point. This is a swing point. Damn it, I think you're right, man. Maybe you're right, I think. This could have been a breaker because it made a lower swing point right there. Because that's a swing point. I think you're right. I think you are right. I think you're right. Damn it. Swing here, lower swing here, broke the breaker, fair value gap, boom. And I missed the trade. Now I feel more FOMO. Thank you very much. This would have been a nice trade. Damn it, yeah. I think this is a breaker. That was a breaker, man. That was a breaker. There. It's much better the way like this. Oh man, I missed that. Really, that's a swing. I did not count this one as a swing. All right. It's gone now. We'll have another breaker. All right, at least the euro is going to our way for now. And I'm not sure if any of you guys saw last night's ICT video. ICT is saying, and by the way, let's look at my chart here on euro. Look at this. Relative equal lows. If I want to leave a runner here, I would target this area right there. Let's play with the numbers, just a little game, all right? Let's play with the numbers, just for the fun. I'm gonna put it down here. How much profit should I get? Yeah, I could almost double my profit there. If I just put it to the hourly level, my final TP, I could just walk away from the computer if it goes in that direction. I should do that, right? Final TP. I would go TP before it's reaching yesterday's low. So ICT outlined this line here, this yellow one. That's a hold on. That's a consequent encroachment of this 4-hour wick. He showed this in the video, exactly this wick right there. So I eyeballed it to the midpoint, somewhere around the midpoint, which also gives us some kind of a magnetic reaction. I would say, and let's go down to the 1 hour, we have quite a bit of a chance for price to take out these lows, right? I don't know. I guess we'll never know, or maybe we will. All right, but for now we're stuck here. And my original TP was at 12 12 pips, I think. Yeah, it was at 12 pips. Up, yeah, 12 pips. There you go. That was my original TP. I know it feels good to have a trade on the house. And look at pound. Right now, pound can be doing a structure break on the 5 minute. My only problem is that look at the 30-minute candle. I hate that long wick candle right there. I mean, hold on. Okay, it's not breaking on the 5 minute. Okay, this is not a clear break. Not even, well, maybe on the 1 minute. This should have been an entry, but since, I don't know. Low probability for me. Okay, the 5 minute didn't break. Look at Euro. Euro is turning out nicely. And so my final TP should be below, should be somewhere here. Strong level, candles bodies close and open at there. This candle almost consequent encroachment. Below this sell side, I mean it's a strong level and it's like 20 pips. Why not? Why not, right? Why not? Pound. The pound was really tricky because I'm guessing that some traders went short in this area right there because of this break. If they are using the same concepts or the similar concepts, they went short, then pound dragged them all the way up there. So I was lucky, by the way, this morning. My stop loss was here. Almost got me. Fancy Euro. Right now, gold is hovering at no man's land. Punched into this imbalance right here. This is the hourly, so we have to account this candle. Punched into this imbalance. I don't know.
Once I change.
Oops, that's a YouTube video. All right, let's check the 15-minute. Nothing. Let's check the dollar index. Lower time frame. Okay, dollar index is slowly but steadily going up, which is good, which is what I was hoping for. Damn it, I missed the breaker on gold. Yeah, swing low here, lower low, break through that. I think the breaker is even stronger than a regular fair value gap with a structure break. That's my opinion. That's a stronger setup, I think. A much, much stronger setup. But since we have a little bit of time, let's try to log that trade. That was at 2:15. This euro-dollar trade was at 2:15. So, classic FVG setup. That's how I call it. So far it's TP1 based on the 1 minute. It was a successful trade. I'm going to wait with the chart just to see how it goes. All right. It's not that far, by the way. It's like final TP is about 15 pips away. So, I mean, if we would get a strong reaction, then it can easily go down. Now we can have another reaction on the 15-minute chart from gold. I'm not used to take trades on the 15-minute. We can see the same on the 30-minute and also on the 1 hour, which is crazy. But the 1 hour still needs time. But we almost, I mean, we have relative equal lows down there. We have so far the 4 hours a bearish engulfing. 4 hour is going to close. Let's see, open 9, 10. Yeah, it's still quite far away from closing, but yeah, could have a reaction there. Also, this could be a bearish order block here. We'll see, but anyway, I'm gonna do a phone call real quick. All right, we're here. So this would have been the original TP, by the way, just saying. This would have been the original secondary TP, which I didn't take yet. So this right here, this would be, so this is basically like, you know what, screw this, I'm taking it. This was my secondary TP, and that's it. I'm not willing to give back the market that money, so I'm happy with it. Quite happy, to be honest. So this was a successful trade. This was a successful trade, including commissions and everything. This was beautiful, by the way. This was beautiful, to be honest. I'm going to log this with the TP2. Let's log this trade. I mean, it's already logged. I'm just gonna save it properly. To the results. So let's go to the results. So far we are up today $347 money wise. Otherwise, I'm changing this to TP1 and TP2 because it hit TP2 8.25% for the month. Journal wise, because 8.25, because this is just a small challenge account. Otherwise, with the 1% risk ratio, this is it. It is what it is. So let's log it. Very nice trade. There. I don't know what happened with this chart, but still. So overall, we are, well, we're 56% correct in this month. So it's very bad compared to last month, where we had like 64% correct ideas, and we were up 16% last month journal wise, if we are risking 1%. On this account, this is a challenge account. This is the only one I'm willing to share on stream. I'm risking 0.5% on this account per trade. So, and we had a losing streak of 7 stop losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stop losses. And we came back, fortunately. We came back. We came back so far. So 8.25%. I'm happy. I'm happy about this. I know there were some very bad days. We survived that, but maybe we still have a chance to do the 10% as well for this month. My TP was just on time. I mean, I closed it manually, but this was my original TP right here. Oh, well. We are waiting for a reaction here. I'm gonna put an alert here. on gold. I just want to. All right, that would be fine. I'm going to wait for an alert if price gets up here. Actually, I'm gonna drag it down here, and I'll see what it does. It would be a decent entry on the 15-minute, but I don't really like to enter on the 15-minute. Maybe it should be working on it on the 30-minute as well. Let's look at gold in a different perspective. Okay, so this is the daily gold. Downside is more favorable for me. Relative equal lows, sell side liquidity. I like it. I like it very, very much. And on the daily, here's the next imbalance. So if I go down to the 4-hour, which is not really interesting to me, this area also at this point is the next best interesting area for me on gold. Otherwise, I'm favoring this sell side right here. Let's go to the 1-hour. 1-hour did a structure break right there. Right here. But it's still not enough. We took out some liquidity from yesterday. Yeah. And even before yesterday. Very good. So we took out some liquidity there. I don't care about the 30-minute. The 15-minute could be interesting as well, but this is a big but. No. That's a no. That's a no-go. Almost a no-go. Let's check the 5-minute. No. I don't like the wicks. I don't like a structure break with a wick. That's not valid for me. I don't like that. I really don't like that. 1 minute, I don't even care what's happening right now on the 1 minute on gold. Our only valid entry point should be the 30-minute, which broke structure with a down close candle with the body, and the 30-minute candle is going to close in 20 seconds, so most likely it's gonna stay around this way. This is equilibrium, sorta. We are in a fair value gap. We are going to be in a fair value gap if this candle closes. Now the 30-minute closed, and here is our fair value gap on gold. Exactly, the top is exactly where equilibrium is. There. So possible entry point would be around, at least go around this up portion of this gap. But that's based on the yeah, that's based on the 30 minutes, so that's why I don't like it. Wow, look at that. Euro is going lower. Maybe should have stayed in the trade, right? It's still valid, I think. I mean, in terms of it wants to take out sell side here. Let's look at dollar indexes going higher, which is good. Gold not doing too much. A little bit of crazy price action on the euro. I was lucky with this trade, to be honest. Could have easily be a stop loss. Okay, we still have 1 hour and 27 minutes from the kill zone. All right. I placed the limit order on gold around equilibrium. We'll see if it touches it or not. If it gets filled or not. Trade is based on the 30-minute. So, yeah. Let's see if it's going to get repriced or not. All right, it's filled. This is almost like a swing trade or something. All right, final TP should be down here somewhere. So waiting for the reaction from this one. This is gonna be a slow one. Maybe not, but it was looking good on the 30-minute. So I thought, why shouldn't I? Right? At least, I mean, it could go to try to reprice this daily candle right here. That would be nice to see. All right. All right. Interesting. I don't know what the euro dollar is doing here, but it's definitely interesting. Oh, it repriced that level. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Getting ready for a second entry here. I guess so. Wow. What a reaction from that fair value gap. That was awesome to see. The reaction from there on the euro. That was really something. If it does like a little bit of a wiggle here and then a strong candle to the downside, I mean, could be looking good for a second entry. If the bias is correct for the day. And if we stay in premium array, then yeah, why not? It can be all right. So we'll see. All we need is the bias to be correct. That's all we need. Oh, wow. What a reaction. What a reaction from pound. I was scared to take this because, I don't know. I wasn't sure if this draw on liquidity is strong enough. Should have taken it. Yeah, it was a 1-2. So there are opportunities all around. Always. This reaction was real something. We still have the euro. What it can do is it can tap into this gap here, sweep a little bit of liquidity here, reprice it. I don't want to see it go back up again into that gap. My bias is still bearish, but okay, this took out some liquidity there. Reprice that. Okay, it goes back into this gap right now. So I hope I see a reaction there. I really don't want to see this close above this gap. It can trade it with a wick, but you know, the draw on liquidity is down here. For me at least. Now, if we could have strong down close candles with the displacement, that would be nice. Okay, this is the thing I was talking about. I don't want to see up closed candles in this area right there. It's nice that it wants to reprice it. That's a good thing. But now I don't really want to see it close up here. I want this to go back. Yeah, that's it. I want this to go back. Is there any news or something? I want this to go back. Pound already made its move, I think, for the AM session in London. Okay, that's like not perfect, but we have to see also what gold wants to do here in the kill zone. It did make a structure break, but this is the subordinate, as ICT says. Lower time frames are subordinate to what's going on the higher time frames, and this is what's going on here. Yeah. Okay, this is something I don't want to see. I want it to drop. I would like to see it drop like a rock or tank and change the structure of this swing low, of this recent swing low. There you go. That's what I want to see, and more strong movement to the downside. Displacement. Come on. I want to see it drop. And change structure, please. We have to pull out emotions from this equation and from trading. We just have to. No other choice. What's the pound doing? Nothing. We're pretty much stuck here for now. Especially the euro. Okay. It can be a spike, but if it closes above, I'm not going to like it. We're gonna check the dollar index after this candle close. Come on, it still have 5 seconds to go down. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is not good. This is not a good sign. Closing up here. Let's check the dollar index. Oh yeah, dollar index is chopping. All the way. I'd still say it has the potential to burst through here. Look at this. It's tried yesterday, twice. Lower highs. Yeah, it can consolidate for a little bit, but then finally it will breach it. Hopefully. So gonna keep an eye on for on the euro. It's a good thing to see that fair value gap is acting as resistance on the euro. It's actually a good sign. I would still need to see a structure break to the downside, so yeah, so gold repricing this fair value gap. But don't forget that we are a subordinate to the higher time frame, so most likely the 30-minute dictates in terms of price action. Even if we go back up and consolidate or do something, we should be continuing downwards eventually. So, oh, there you go. That's the reaction I wanted to see. All right. So that's good. I like that. My target would be down there. Oh no. I spoke too soon, guys. I spoke too soon. All right. Okay. Okay, I need this to close below in 2 seconds. There, okay. It made a structure break, but I don't like that. I don't like this reaction. If it's repricing this range, then I have to wait for a structure break lower here. What's the distance here? Not too much. Let's compare it with the targets. Don't like it that much, to be honest. Okay, for example, it leaves this gap. Secondary gap right here. Right there. Okay. And now comes the moment of truth. In terms of if we're going to reprice this level. Or not. I'm gonna go with $240. Let's see. Still in premium, but I'm not gonna be sad if the train leaves the station without me, because I'm not all that confident in this trade. Look at that. It might actually leave without me. Yeah, I mean, it could. What's happening on the 5 minute? Nothing major. This 1 minute is closing soon. Okay, we might get filled here. Yeah, I got filled. Need 14 pips down here. Damn it! It's taking us out. Oh no! Not the reaction I was looking for, but it is what it is. Damn it. That's a stop. All right. I really thought that this would be enough to go down further, as my bias was still bearish, and it still is, technically speaking. So I'm gonna have to log this, unfortunately. 04. Yeah, that was 404. Unfortunate. That's unfortunate. That was still on the 24. 404. London euro dollar sell, classic FVG. Hit the stop loss, unfortunately, and not a successful trade, unfortunately. But we're still logging it. At least we're still on the positive side today, but this was bad, you know. That's it. Let's log this. The previous trade was nice, but one win, one loss, but overall the profits are higher. All right. Saving the charts. Okay. Let's log it. There. It has been logged. Still all right. 7.25%. Despite the fact that it spiked up, I will be still looking for short opportunity on euro, maybe on the New York session, most likely. Depends on how it's going to behave in terms of structure break or something. This has been invalidated. There. I'm gonna check the dollar index again. Yeah, because the dollar index gave in. Yeah, wasn't strong enough to gain momentum to the upside, but this is the 15-minute. Yeah, the 1 hour dollar index having a hard time to push higher. Yeah, well, anyway, we are almost out of the kill zone already, so this gold trade is still up, but I guess we have to see what it does based on the 30-minute, which is very rare on my side to be taking a trade any market on the 30-minute. So this is going to be maybe a slow one. Still, if we look at this, we have like on the euro, we have lots of liquidity down there, in my opinion. Lots of liquidity. Here and here. Relative equal lows. Maybe it's gonna fill up this wick and then turn around, who knows? It can do that. I'm favoring the downside. But we need the structure break or, well, yeah, we need a structure break. On the pound, this is the pound. Almost the same scenario. I would like to see it dump, but nothing to see here for now. So I think we're gonna have to wait for euro to decide what it wants to do. We have some news. Let's refresh this page. All right, so in my time, there's gonna be news 11:30, so that's 1 hour and 1.25. Next news is afternoon New York session. Yeah, could be interesting. Guess we'll never know, only if we're here and check it out. So my plan is still the same. Hopefully by shorting euro, we will get to the point where we want to go. I mean, yeah, this was news and it didn't really spike up after news. Maybe it needed some more liquidity, but I don't know. I'm still looking for a short opportunity on euro. I guess we have to just wait. Kill zone almost over for London AM session. I'm gonna leave the gold trade on. The EAs are managing it, so we'll see how it goes, I guess. Otherwise, nothing else going on today. We're just doing the waiting game. We traded to our plan. So far everything turned out nicely. I'm quite satisfied despite the stop loss. They're still up, so yesterday we had like had like 6 or 7 trades, which was too much, but we're still gained over 1.6% or something. Yeah, so let's just leave the gold for now. I have to go to an appointment and get a haircut. I have an appointment at my barber, so I have to go there. Oh my god, my hair is so long. I skipped last time, so it's terrible. All right. Before it comes down to any further, I might want to see a little bit of retracement on the euro. Go a little bit higher this way. And then go back down again. I just need a structure break that shows that the character of the price or price action has changed. Bearish. So far it is what it is, but it still looks a little bit bullish, so not that strong, but it looks bullish. So that's why I don't really like it, but nevertheless, I'm not disappointed. By the way, let's check this. If no, it's not. I thought that it could be a turtle soup entry, but it's not. Doesn't seem like one. I guess no more setups. Hold on, this is an order block, right? On the 5 minute, yeah. Could be. Could be. Could be. Nothing here. Nothing there. Just waiting. No significant change of character here on both of these sides. We have to wait, I guess, until New York open. As much as it hurts or not, it is what it is. Oh, by the way, let's check S&P. Could be interesting. No reaction there. I mean, those targets down there are so tempting. All right. Gold wants to go up higher, seems like. I mean, there is some space to be repriced up there, but yeah, have to wait and see. Let's go to TradingView. Okay, dollar index. Dollar index is fighting. Small fair value gap, maybe it was enough, I don't know. Only visible, yeah, it's visible here on the 30-minute time frame. Could provide some support. Yeah. So if we get a change of character here, then that would be real nice. Otherwise, I think pound wants to go up here again and reprice that level. Yeah. Top of the range is here. Yesterday high is there as well. We'll see what euro wants to do here. Because we would be having like quite nice risk reward. I'd like to see it go down. Back to fair value gap and boom. That would be quite nice to see. So come on, euro. Gold is indecisive, which is fine on the 5-minute. 30 minutes still looks good. 1 hour is still looking good so far. 4 hour, yeah, we still have time to close it as an engulfing candle formation. So far it's all right. I'm just waiting for euro to fall down. Maybe it still does it in the London AM session. I need a strong down close candle here. Same goes for the pound, by the way. I want to see the same from the pound. So come on, euro, you have 30 seconds, spike down with a displacement. That's it. Exactly, that's what I want to see. Although, if the displacement is going to be here, I need a stop loss to be up here. Oh, come on, euro. 10 seconds, I need a spike down. It's not doing it. 5 seconds. No, it's not doing it. All right. So that's not enough. That's not going to be enough. for that kind of reaction, which I'm looking for. This is a structure break. Not in my opinion, at least. All right. I'm not sure if we're gonna get a reaction. Okay, now we're getting a reaction. I'm not sure if that's the one which we need. Not sure. It's not even a... This almost seems like a seek and destroy, but I don't know. Not taking it for sure. All right, have to go out, grab a drink. Okay. So what happened? What did happen? Okay, now it could be a structure break to go lower. We're still in premium, but I don't know. I don't know. Looks a bit scary, but have to see how much is that in pips wise. I'm favoring this target down here. So yeah, it's closing the gap right there. It's not valid anymore, not for me. Yeah, the gunpowder is definitely gone from this trade. It's consolidating for now. I think this is pretty much it for the London AM session. I don't think I'm going to wait and stick this one out. I might just gonna close the stream. I'm gonna leave the gold open for now, and I decide what to do with it later and come back to New York Open. Because right now this is technically nothing for me. It would be a waste of time to wait for another 20 minutes because there's just no formation. I see no possible entry forming around these levels. So yeah, gold can still go up against our will, but hopefully we have some resistance at least up here in a fair value gap that should be helping this one to, well, sooner or later tank down. So that's what I'm hoping for. S&P nothing, euro dollar nothing, pound nothing. So far that's it. Okay, so that's it for the London session. Nothing's going to happen until the end of the kill zone, I think. I try to be here at the afternoon, so see you guys, or anyone who was watching later on. Have a great day. Cheers.